There we go. So I'm recording now. Okay. So the first thing we're going to use is the plugin for the free plugins from metabox.io for custom post type and custom taxonomy. And all right, so to create a custom post type, we'll create a new post type. So we'll give it a name. So what should we make a custom post type of? Any suggestions? Projects it is then. And then we'll give it a singular name. Actually, it doesn't have to be projects. And for single name, we'll give it the name project. And then the slug gets created. And we've got this advanced, so we can change any of this. We can change our dash icons here if we wanted to. Capability type, whether it's a page or a post, so see who can view it and whatnot. I'm just going to leave that as default, except I'm going to change it to, no, sorry, that's not it. I'm going to just choose a dash icon here. That'll do. And over on your right, you can say what you want it to support. So you want to excerpt, the thumbnail, comments, revisions, page attributes, and default taxonomies if you wanted to. And that's it, published. And now we'll see, here is our projects. That's how easy it is to create a custom post type using that plugin. If you grab a premium plugin from these guys, called, it's somewhere in here, called, I don't know what it's called. Maybe it's a free plugin. No, it's not a free one. Metabox Builder. That will allow you to build out $29. That will allow you to build custom meta boxes to put in this as well if you wanted to. So if I go into my install plugins and turn that on, Metabox Builder, I can now go meta boxes, add new, and I could drag in a text field, name, client, add your client name, a placeholder, Joe Blogs, and where I want it to. So let's make it side and low, and we can choose to put it in just our project and hit Save Metabox. So now when we go into projects, we now get this client here. So now we created a Metabox. So that's how easy it is to create custom post type and add Metabox using a free plugin and using the premium plugin to make a drag and drop Metabox builder. Any questions about that one?
Looks good.
Okay, I'm now going to disable those plugins, oops, and show you how I do it. So now that project's gone because I've disabled that post type builder. Okay, and that is using this generator.wp. So I'm just going to log out here because I'm logged in. And go log out. So you can't see the generators here. There you go, down the bottom. Oh, here, yeah, there we go. So we can go post type generator. So when it's a premium one, you have to be logged in. So if we click on all the generators, and I go to do a premium one, create meta boxes for my custom post type, which is pretty limited in meta boxes that are offers, it doesn't actually let me do anything because I'm not logged in. So it's all grayed out. But the post type generator, we can. So this is how easy this is to use. So project custom post type. Now, if you're doing this in a plugin, always prefix it with something you're doing. So simple website, that's me. So if you looked at all the code for Beaver Builder, it'll say everything starts with FA as in fast line. FL, sorry, as in fast line. So always prefix it. So if you're going to call it a project, add your customer projects. Post type singular. Projects, and any taxonomies, whether they're going to be hierarchical. I've done a name type here, project and projects. You can go and change all your labels. So even here, set featured image, set project image, remove project image. So you can say your thumbnail doesn't just change, doesn't just say add featured image anymore. So you can go in the menu, we can go projects. In the menu bar up the top, the admin bar, we can also call it projects. I'm just going to copy and paste. Item projects, project item, all projects, add new project, new, add project, new project, edit project, update project, new project, search projects, and I'm just going to add project image, and I'll leave everything else. In here you can tell what you want it to support. So you want the title, you want the content, perhaps you definitely want the featured image, where you want it to position. So 5 is below post, it shows you here. You can choose your dash icon in here. So I'm just going to go dash icon caret, just because I remember that one off the top of my head for some reason. How you want to query it, so whether it's going to be a custom query. So at the moment, I just want to leave it as the standard one. Your permalinks, whether you want to change the permalinks. And when you update the code, it gives you all this code down the bottom. So you copy that, go into your theme editor, because I'm using a Beaver Builder child theme. And in your child themes functions.php, do not add this into a theme directly. Make sure you're using a child theme, because if you update your theme, you'll lose that. And now hit update the file. Why do we not see it? And there it is. Maybe my dash icon, icons. Refresh the page, and there it is, projects. So now when I add a project, instead of saying add new, it says add project, because I renamed it all, add new project, because that's all those labels in here. That's why I prefer to use this one, because I can rename every single field, and even the project image, instead of saying featured image, it's project image. So if you're, let's say you're creating a custom post type for clients or for staff, you could go add profile picture and things like that. Still works exactly the same when you call it on the front end, but still, it just gives you the option to relabel it without, as part of your function. And Generate WordPress, guys and gals, any girls? No, all guys, has a lot of generators in there. So you can do all sorts of things with, you got dashboard widgets, quick tags, toolbar. You got sidebar generators, widget generators, shortcode generators, support page for your theme, user queries, your loop queries. So there's a lot you can do. Scheduled cron jumps, cron events, config generator, hooks. So you can generate your own hooks and things through here now, which is only new. There you go. And different fields for your contact, for your user profile. So there's a lot in this. So Generate WP is a very powerful resource to know. And it's one, and it is one, I know a lot of code, and I can code all of that custom post type. I can code, where do I put it? Editor. I could code all of that by hand, but there is no way I could do it as quickly and as neatly as what Generate WP does. It's the same with meta boxes. I code all that by hand, but even I can't do it as quick. I don't use this. The only issue is I don't use this meta box builder. I code that by hand, even though I have their full full developer bundle. So any questions about Generate WP? Is there anyone who didn't know about Generate WP?
I didn't know about it.
You didn't?
No, I did not.
Okay.
I'm kind of new though, so.
No, neither did Jason. Jason's just typed in the chat that he didn't know either. I should post that resource over in Beaver Builder then, because if people don't know it, because it's very, very good to know. And to join, I think it cost me $80 a year. Something ridiculous. It's not very much. There we go. So yeah, so $7 a month if I join for 12 months. So yeah, So it's, for me, it was a no-brainer because I can create private snippets then as well. So which I've got quite a resource in there, obviously, of different snippets for different things. So that's it. That's how easy it is to create custom post types that I know of. How are you going to display that all on the front end? That's a whole different kettle of fish. But then if you got the generator, if you're using generate, that's when you can do the query. Sorry, because of this, I've got to minimize it to get to my tabs. I can drag that off the screen. Oh, there we go. So yeah, so in the generator, you would do that by using the query. So you would go, so let's say I wanted to do a query for the project. So I do it normal query, show the loop. Yes, I want the loop to be in there. And any post or project. So post type, which we called it project, register post type project. So post type would be project. Post established, we only want published posts. We don't want it, we can filter by category or by taxonomy, by author. We can add pagination if we wanted to. Yes, page, show five pages, 5 per pages. We can skip the sticky post, let's not show it. Let's choose our descending order, dates, blah, 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 update code. And here it gives us our code. So we copy that. And if I then went to my next generator and went to shortcode generator, and let's go, shortcode is project posts, SW project shortcode, because that's the function name, and I prefix it with the SW. Self-closing, no attributes, and let's go into the code. We paste in our query that we just did, and what we want to do is we want it to go echo div class equals col. Is it col 6? Oh no, not for, what's Beaver Builder? What's our Bootstrap columns? Anyone remember? Bootstrap grid. It's not grid template. Col MD 6. So this will make it a 50% width. And then we want to, and then we go the title. Oops. And we close our div. Let's copy that. Let's duplicate that. And let's go the content. Actually, no, we'll go the excerpt. So it should split 2 columns. So do the title and the excerpt for each post, showing 5 posts. Let's now copy that shortcode, paste that into our functions again. Go update. Let's go and create a project. Project 1. Let's get some lorem ipsum. Let's just post all of that in there. Let's go publish. Let's go add project. Let's go project 2. Publish. Okay, let's go enable Beaver Builder, activate. Let's go to visit site, page builder. And let's grab out our text editor. And our shortcode was project posts, project underscore posts. So I want to make sure I'm in the text and go project underscore posts. Hit save, hit done, hit publish. And that didn't work. Why did that not work? Anyone know why that didn't work? The shortcode's not work in the text editor? Let's try the HTML one then. Project posts. Save. No. What is wrong with my... Yeah. Anyway, I don't know why that's not working. It should have worked. Oh, it could, probably because I'm not returning any data. I probably need to go content equals I don't know, return content. I'm not sure that's going to work either. No, it's not going to work. Okay, but that's what there's nothing wrong with the loop. It's how it's being generated into the shortcode. But that's but yeah, so you could use generate to generate your WP query. So I'm not sure why that isn't working, but I'd have to look into that. Anyone got any questions? I don't know why that's not working. Yeah, see, so that should work. Yeah, I don't know why that's not working. All right, anyway.